Amid claims of vaccine shortage in Mumbai in state's highest caseload, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has called an all-party meeting in afternoon which will be addressed by him through video conferencing. The meeting is to discuss imposition of stricter curbs across the state. Views of opposition leaders would also be taken into account, added a source. In Pune, which has been recording steep rise in coronavirus cases, patients opting for home quarantine may soon have to give an undertaking stating that they will follow all isolation norms or pay Rs 25,000 as a fine. Meanwhile, registering a steady increase for the 31st day in a row, the number of active coronavirus cases in the country has gone up to more than 10,46,000, accounting for 7.93% of its total caseload, while the recovery rate has further dropped to 90.80%. The active caseload was at its lowest at 1,35,000 on February 12, accounting for only 1.25% of the total number of cases in the country. Today, however, the country has recorded more than 1,45,000 fresh cases, and with that, India's COVID-19 tally has climbed to more than 1,32 lakh, the Health Ministry said on Saturday. The number of active cases, as I said, has also breached the 10 lakh mark again after around 6.5 months. A total of 1,15 lakh voters, including more than 58 lakh men and 56 lakh women and 290 members of the third gender, will decide the fate of 373 candidates in West Bengal Assembly elections, Phase 4 polling, where voting will be held in 44 assembly seats scheduled in 5 districts. The constituencies are spread over Howrah, South 24 Parganas, Hooghly in South Bengal, and in North Bengal's Alipurduar and in Cooch Behar. Residents aged 18 and above will vote between 7 am and 6:30 pm in 15,940 polling stations. Among those whose fate will be decided at the husting are former Bengal Ranji captain Manoj Tiwari, TMC's candidate from Shivpur, State Education Minister and sitting MLA from Behala Paschim Partha Chatterjee, and Central Minister Babul Supriyo of the BJP, who has locked horns with the State Sports Minister Arup Biswas for the Tollygunj seat. Ratna Chatterjee, wife of former city mayor and fire minister Sovan Chatterjee, who left Mamata Banerjee's TMC to join the BJP for a short period, is facing BJP's actress turned politician Payal Sarkar in Behala Purbo seat. Former State Forest Minister Rajiv Banerjee, who moved to the BJP recently, is contesting from Domjur, while BJP MP and actress Locket Chatterjee is contesting the polls from Chinsura in Hooghly district. Prashant Kishore, Mamata Banerjee's poll strategist, has purportedly said in a public chat on Clubhouse app that even Trinamool Congress's internal survey shows BJP is winning West Bengal Assembly elections. In a public chat on Clubhouse, Mamata Banerjee's election strategist concedes that even in TMC's internal survey, BJP is winning. The vote is for Modi, polarization is a reality. The scheduled caste, 27% of West Bengal's population, Matuas, are all voting for the BJP, tweeted senior BJP leader Amit Malviya. Reacting to this, Kishore said, "I am glad BJP guys are taking my Clubhouse chat more seriously than the words or their own leaders. With regards to the selective and distorted use of parts of the conversation, I urge them to release the full conversation." Candidates and star campaigners can be banned from holding campaign rallies if COVID-19 safety rules are not followed, the Election Commission said in a fresh warning on Friday, 3 days after voting ended in 3 states and an union territory where the polls have seen widespread disregard for the pandemic. Instances of election meetings, campaigns have come to the notice of the Commission where norms of social distancing, wearing of masks, etc. have been flouted in disregard to the Commission's guidelines. Instances of star campaigners, political leaders, candidates not observing COVID-19 protocol, including non-wearing of masks themselves at the stage or while campaigning, have come to notice. By doing so, the political parties and candidates are exposing themselves as well as the public attending such election meetings to the grave danger of the infection, the Election Commission said in a notice. Chinese regulators have hit e-commerce giant Alibaba with a massive 18.2 billion yuan, that is $2.78 billion fine over practices deemed to be an abuse of the company's dominant market position, state-run media reported on Saturday. Xinhua news agency said that the State Administration for Market Regulation had assessed the fine after concluding an investigation into Alibaba that began in the month of December. The investigation and fines centered on Alibaba's alleged practice of requiring that merchants who wish to sell their wares on its popular platforms do so exclusively, avoiding rival e-commerce sites. The size of the penalty was determined after regulators decided to fine Alibaba 4% of its 2019 sales of 455.7 billion yuan. Alibaba and other leading Chinese tech companies have come under pressure amid growing concern over their influence in China, where tech-savvy consumers use leading platforms to communicate, shop, pay bills, book taxis, take out loans, and perform a range of other daily tasks. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.